Hello everyone, welcome back to Photopea tutorials. Today we're diving into one of the most essential skills in photo editing, which is selection tools. So whether you're removing backgrounds, isolating objects, or making precise edits, knowing how to use these tools will save you tons of time and frustration. Today we will learn Magic Wand, Rectangle Select, Ellipse Select, Quick Selection, Object Selection, and Lasso Tools, so you can cut, edit, and refine images. So let's open Photopea, and before starting I will download an image from the website pexels.com. We're gonna use this image as an example today. And import it into Photopea. So let's start with the basics: rectangle select and ellipse select. In keyboard it's M for rectangle select and Shift M for ellipse select. These are perfect for selecting geometric shapes, so just click and drag to make a selection. First we're gonna use rectangle select. And choose an area to select. You can also invert the selection, so instead of selecting this area, you can select the rest of the area by clicking on Command Shift I. And here it is. For example, I delete the whole area, and here it's how it's gonna be. And without the inversion, it would be like this. You can also add selection by going here and choosing which filter to use. So this one is Replace, Unite, Subtract, and Intersect. Let's use the Unite first. And hold Shift for a perfect square or circle, and hold Alt to draw from the center. Let's start with Shift. And now Alt. And here they are united. To release the selection, click Command D on your keyboard. Now let's see ellipse select. Let's use Alt to start from the center, or Shift to make it perfectly round. And use, for example, Subtract. Like this, or Intersect. Here we have the selection. Now let's talk about Lasso Tools. They're right beneath the ellipse and rectangle select. First is Lasso Select, which is freehand lasso. It gives you an opportunity to draw freely. Then there is Polygonal Lasso, which is to create straight edges, and it's great for example, selecting buildings. And Magnetic Lasso, we already briefly mentioned it in the previous videos. It auto snaps to edges. Here we deleted the air balloon. So use Polygonal Lasso for sharp edges, angles, and the freehand lasso for organic shapes. If you make a mistake, just press backspace to undo your last point. The next is Magic Wand. It's located under the Lasso Tools. Magic Wand is W on the keyboard. It's a time saver because it selects pixels based on color similarity. We have also learned about it in the previous lessons. And you can also adjust the tolerance. So higher is broader selection, and check contiguous if you only want connected areas. For example, if you want to remove this background, just click with the magic wand, then press on delete, and it will have an instant transparency. And the rest of the sky, because it's not the same shade as the previous one, because it's more blue. And here's how you do it. Under the magic wand, there is a quick selection tool. It's like a brush that automatically detects edges, which is great for rough selections. So just brush over an object and Photopea will snap to its shape. Let's try it. First I will adjust the size, and let's try to select these mountains. And you can see that as soon as I clicked on it, it has already been selected. Like this. And if you only want to leave the mountains, then again Command-Shift-I, and they're the only thing left in the image. And the object selection tool is even smarter because it tries to detect the entire object with just one click. So let's select these mountains, and here you have it. Same with this, and here you have it. Now let's try to select again these mountains. And to refine the selection, we go to Select, Modify, Expand or Contrast or Smooth, or use Select and Mask for hair or fur details, but here we don't have it, so we'll just go here. And expand it by, for example, 4 pixels. And here our selection has been expanded. And if we go to Contract, then it will be contracted. And Feather for smoother selection. And here we have it. And you can also duplicate your selection onto a new layer by clicking on Command-J or Ctrl-J, like this, so it's for non-destructive editing. You can also adjust the feather right here without going into Select and Modify. You can also combine a few instruments for one purpose. For example, select object selection to select the mountains. And quick selection to select the hot air balloon. But remember to switch the mode. And if there is something that wasn't meant to be selected, you just click on Alt or Option or switch here to minus, and here you have it. Now we have selected mountains and the hot air balloon, and we can delete them, for example, like this, or delete the rest and leave these parts. And that's it. You now know how to use selection tools in Photopea. Whether you're cutting out objects, removing backgrounds, or making precise edits, these tools will make your workflow so much faster. And also a quick recap about what we had learned today. We learned how to use rectangle selection and ellipse selection for geometric selections, then lasso tools, more precisely lasso select, polygonal lasso select for hard angles, magnetic lasso select, and magic wand, quick selection and object selection for very fast and easy object selection. I hope you found this video useful and see you in the next ones.